we got.
What's your picture for?
A what?
A picture, what is it for?
Oh, it's I have a vlog on YouTube. I'm just being a nerd. So I'm just capturing Dumbo.
Everything.
Have a beautiful day. I'd love to live here. Imagine this, downtown Brooklyn, Dumbo, and you have this land. Ladies and gents, this is a semi ASMR, semi guided tour. We're strolling through Dumbo, Vinegar Hill, and I'm gonna walk towards some of the more forgotten areas, towards some of the more exclusive and forgotten streets before I have my delicious lunch. For today's lunch, it's gonna be a salad. A motherfucking salad. What are you gonna do? Once in a while I try to eat healthy, but not always proud of it. Well, today is one of those days. One of them healthy days. Dumbo is one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in New York City, if you ask me. One of my favorites. Look at this truck. It's a monster. Crazy. These trucks cost like 40, 50, 60, 70,000. Beautiful buildings. All these buildings are freshly renovated. They look all old school and brick, like this one here, but you could tell that those are like $1 million lots. Easy. I was gonna walk on that cute little street, but I walked here. Look at this. Imagine being a motorcycle owner and nosing in your bike. Amateur hour. Just made fun of that. Made fun of that bike, you know. That's what I do best. I'd imagine if somebody's behind me, they will honk, but look at that. Electrical plant just humming the whole damn time. Some graffiti. That's kind of cool. But this whole area smells, this specific area smells like bread. There's some really, I need to get to the bottom of this. I feel like there's a bread baking place around here. Because once in a while, when I'm pulling up, it reminds me of my childhood. It reminds me of the bread I used to have. Oh, look at this. A little GS. Cute. Walk the street. Later today, I'm gonna have some dumplings. Much excitement. I don't know what the hell that is. Here we go. Not sure. But we got.
What's your picture for?
A what?
A picture, what is it for?
Oh, it's I have a vlog on YouTube. I'm just being a nerd. So I'm just capturing Dumbo.
Everything.
Have a beautiful day. People are making fun of me for the camera. That's fine. Hello. I walk down the street. People say, like, I actually got a comment the other day about how rude people from New York City are and how much of assholes they are, and it's like, dude, I've just said hello to 5 random strangers in Brooklyn in New York City. Get the fuck out of here. People in New York are nice as hell. But you might be wondering, why am I taking you on these ugly ass I mean, these are cobblestones, right? That's kind of nice. But as far as the actual streets go, they're not cutest because this whole industrial electrical situation here. But you know what? Just wait. Just give it a goddamn minute and everything will make sense. Everything will make sense. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Like, look at this. Look at that patio up there. And look at this garage. That's a dream right there. I'd love to live here. Nice, perfect little parking spot right here for the bike. Nice Benz over there. All right, so here we go. Look at this building here, for example. Look. Look at this gorgeousness. It's fucking super nice. Big fan. And then we got this Nardo Gray TDR with a couple of tickets. No fucks given. Nice. Oh yeah, look at this. No parking. Parked cars. Presume these people live here. Oh, I bet it's so nice to live out here. As sketchy and as secluded and far from the train as it is, I bet it's actually quite beautiful. Oh, look at this. Well, holy shit. Look at what I discovered in Dumbo. What? That is amazing. Never seen that before, and I've been here for a minute. Wow. That is really cool. I don't know if you guys can even see it on camera, but it's like an old truck. Nice. Very European. I'm a big fan. Look at these doors here. I love this street. I miss urban exploration. I used to always like run around and explore, but nowadays I'm just a lazy bastard. Look at this beautiful stuff. More electric stuff here. Another motorcycle here. Another perfect motorcycle spot next to it. I like it. I like it a lot. And this mansion, I'm always curious about it. That's a nice little development here. I mean, look at it. The view is kind of okay, but you're in the middle of nowhere with a garage. It's gorgeous. But this mansion here, I'm always curious about. Maybe somebody in the comments can tell me what they know about it. What you know about this mansion. It's fucking awesome. I'd love to live here. Imagine this, downtown Brooklyn, Dumbo, and you have this land. Huh. These gates. I could get down here. I should look it up. I should really look it up. Anyway, look at this. Another little house here with like a backyard. How do these people have that? I'm pretty sure all of this is to be sold, and these people are holding out for millions of dollars. But look at this. People just having lunch. What is going on back there? I wonder. Interesting. Oh, we got this turquoise building and this flat black Tiguan or Touareg. It's kind of dope. Oh shit, look at this. Look at this caddy. How have I never seen this? Because I guess I go by here quick. Interesting discoveries today. Urban exploration, brah. And look, we got some green things here. It's pretty awesome. Look at that. Huh. All right. That's cool, bro. That's cool. So we came back from that street over there. We'll go on this street. Cobblestones. I hope I never get rid of them because I'll miss them. I shall miss the cobblestones. This is a good street here, but I want to see what the menu holds. Let's see. Mm. Mm. Here's the menu. Nice. Cute. Actually, let me get back on the street. The sidewalk is fun and all, but the street is better due to the stones of cobble. Oh, sorry. Almost got ran over there. And look at this. Look at this. I would fuck with this Sprinter van. The Mercedes. Lifted. Look at that. A little bit of a lift there. It's nice. That is super dope. But it's all-wheel drive. This is kind of dope too. All right. Back on the road. So I'm on my way to go to a hardware store right now. The long way around. I'm gonna check the hardware store for some hardware. And after that, I'm gonna get a soup. I have my salad. We shall see. I'm not very much excited about all this construction here. So I think I might take a different block. You know what I mean? Take a different block. Yeah, that block? Sure. Why not? Let's try it. In fact, nah, that block is boring. Let's go this way. Go this way. We can go straight into the arc. Nice. Those folks drinking beer. Look how low that Range Rover sits. I guess the air suspension is aired out. Yeah, those dudes indeed are drinking beer for lunch. It seems exhausting. I don't know if I'd fuck with that. Alright, well, we'll see. We shall see. What is this? Beat the bomb, get excited, get blasted. What is this? I have no idea what that is. Oh, it's an escape room. It's one of those cheesy little activities. Oh, look at this courtyard. It's kind of nice. It's kind of dope. Nice little buildings here and there. All right. I'm about to look at this dude. Not really sure what he's doing. What's going on here, bro? Fucking construction work is rude as fuck. Took over Dumbo and they think they're running shit. Fuck 'em. Construction workers are as bad as tourists at times. But construction allows me to walk exactly in the middle of the street, which normally would be impossible. How long is the walk so far? 15 minutes. That's kind of nice. I didn't, I'm not gonna go out for lunch, but I do go out for a lunch stroll, which is even better. Which is even better. Hardware store. Let's see. Oh, look at this. I really like this entrance. The rusted metal. Like that. Kind of cool. One thing I have to work on is cynicism and sarcasm, because I'm pretty strong with those two and gotta reel it back. I have to reel it back. You know what I mean? It's a goddamn situation, really. All right, and we're back in Dumbo. Beautiful. I mean, we were in Dumbo the whole time. I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about. But over here to the right, there used to be food trucks, but not no more. And all these stupid rebels want to kick all of them over. This deli is a little too fancy for my taste. We're close. We're getting there. GMC terrain. Uh-oh, I'm about to die. To get ran over. Bruh. There we go. Strong tourism. This is the Dumbo Arc. This is Manhattan Bridge, as you can tell. No. That's the bridge. These are purple puppies. Take you to the cheesy touristy spot, the cheese block, but it's not gonna happen. Ooh. All right, here we go. The tour is almost over, boys and girls. You've done well. You've done good. I could take a right now and go through that street over there towards the cheesiest block in all of Brooklyn, but I won't. I'm gonna show you the real. Oh, I should have taken that little alleyway there. Big fan. The alleyway where somebody got murdered recently, which is not ideal situation for anybody. But yeah, that alley right there. Nice and dark and sketchy. All right, nice wheels. Here we are. Well, thank you for watching. I'm about to go into a hardware store and look at some bolts and nuts. And that's where I will leave you. I'll leave you to it. All right, let's sneak in here. I'll talk to you guys later.